Hi, welcome back to another lesson on common English mistakes. I'm Dr. Mano of ASM Learning Channel. In this lesson 3, we are going to learn how to use in and at. Please go through the explanation and try the quiz. Mistakes in the use of prepositions. How to use the prepositions in and at correctly. Example 1. They live at Australia. They live in Australia. The preposition in should be used for countries or for a general place. Example 2. His plane landed at Tokyo. His plane landed in Tokyo. The preposition in should also be used for cities or big towns or a place in general. Example 3. They arrived in the small fishing village of In, Japan. They arrived at the small fishing village of In, Japan. The preposition at is used for small towns or for a specific place. Summary. On is used for a big place or a place in general. In is used for a small place or specific. Before you continue, please help me to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Instructions. Choose the correct in or at word for each question. Level, intermediate. Questions that are 20. 12 seconds per question. Let us start. How did you do this quiz? Did you score 20 upon 20? Please write your score in the comment section below. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please share it with friends and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching. See you soon.